Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3 11th Gen Intel Core i3 21.5-foot FHD IPS 3-side edgeless all-in-one desktop with Alexa built-in, 8GB per 512GB SSD/Windows 11/Office 2021/HD 720p camera/speakers/wired keyboard and mouse. Processor, 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1115G4. Speed, 3.0 GHz, base, 4.1 GHz, max, 2 cores, 4 threads, 6 MB cache. OS, preloaded Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity. OS, preloaded Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity. Pre-installed, MS Office Home and Student 2021. Memory, 8GB RAM DDR4-3200, expandable up to 16 GB storage, 512GB SSD. Graphics, integrated Intel UHD graphics. Display, 21.5-inch Full HD, 19